Yuchi. It's lagi. It's very lagi. The first, second one, dismantle. Oh shit. God damn. And the third one is, oh, he's gone now. He's gone. Wait a second. And the third one, like this, is super purple. That's all. And the fourth one, done. That's it. And this here, ito yun siya. And I don't know the first one, okay, because the manga is too late to make a first one. Okay. That's it. Yes. Wow. Wow, this good. This good. This matter. Got them. That's a lot of damage. Look, yeah. You can one-shot everybody. Like Immortal Yuchi. Ultimate. Yes. Noble Son, kaya I don't know the Son of Class. And this Piercing Blast. That is one shoot. And this matter is dead. God damn, a lot of damage. Pilang damage ani? Not. It's full. Okay, this is dispenser. Pilang damage ani? Impel pa. One hit style. Okay ka Saitama. God damn. No, is that enough? Bye. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.